guys, this is my new videos and I new YouTuber. So, my name is James. Now we're gonna play Minecraft. And my friend is laughing at me. I'm gonna build some house. Okay. I'm in the part 1. Tomorrow we are gonna build some house tomorrow. I don't know I'm gonna build those tomorrow or now. So gonna woods. So many woods. Many woods. Ito, pagkayag. Kinato sa mga pagkayag.
Ano ba?
Wait!
Talking in Tagalog.
What the hell, man?
Just stop talking.
Hell!
Go to hell.
Gwendal too. I'm gonna build.
Can you
Wah!
talk? Stop.
Horse.
Ito telephone to din.
What the hell? I'm put the woods in here.
Wrong talking in English.
Put it
Can you
over.
talk in English?
You're bitch! Stop! Stop!
I'm not a bitch.
Stop.
Isang gala. Get out! Get out! Bye! So my friend's talking in English now.
My friend is what?
Pusang gala ang init. Ito camera ko. Camera.
Please stop talking.
Please stop or see this red eyes. Watch your step, baby.
So we're gonna build the house. No, not tomorrow.
We have so many colors: black, white, red, and green.
What the
They're
hell?
magical and powerful and mysterious. Now let's say tabby box.
Please stop talking.
Ow! Ouch! Ang init! Initan dito ah. Watch your step, baby, because I'm
Please stop.
Watch your step, baby, because I'm a grande.
Okay. My friend is freaking me out. So
Kuya
gonna
Ter!
build the house.
Huwag ka kumuha!
I'm fucking. She's fucking annoying.
Dan, alay ka, tignan! Hanapin mo ko to! Titigit mo more! Just wait a minute.
Please stop talking.
I'm not talking.
So wait,
Please stop
I
or
have
see
no-
this red eye!
nose glass. What the hell? is my house. It's not big. Tomorrow, I'm gonna get sheep tomorrow. The pig.
Where's the puppy?
So, I'm gonna build second floor in this. Tomorrow, I'm gonna build second floor. So, this. I mean the cellphone. I have MCPE. Master.
Ay, bakit
So,
nag-stop ka nang magsalita?
So, I'm gonna build second floor tomorrow. And where's the? I have so many.
Uy! Takon YouTube yan. Ba't mo kasi ako kinuwanan?
Please stop talking.
Tuloy. Wala na ako. Kuya Third. Wait lang.
Please stop talking. What the?
Kailangan ko ng damit. Tapos short.
I'm gonna build.
Uy!
This is.
No!
This is my floor. Where's this? Second floor tomorrow. Okay, second floor tomorrow. Okay.
Ano yun? Wait
Tapos,
lang!
we're gonna build this second floor. And
I'm a Filipina
I'm
mermaid.
gonna put this.
Sex apple. Ano na pinapagkano mo?
No, not
Ano
many.
ba?
Please stop talking.
Who you talking to? Uy! Uy! Uy, Kuya Third, madumi yun!
Uy, please don't talk.
Pero may iwa siya!
Ang second floor, you know that? No? You know
Lulunukan
that?
yan.
No.
Anong lulunukan yan? Laki-laki.
This is the
Sa
torch. Not there. This is the torch. Dahil the torch is in here. So I'm gonna build the second floor in there. And the ladder is in here. So first, okay. No.
Lo, yan na tuloy tumataas na. Ito pa. Okay na sa akin.
So
Na!
in today in this Minecraft, we're gonna find some sand and gonna turn into the glass. So
Marungan mo ko
we're gonna
nakakalipad yung
turn
akin.
here.
Ito, nabin mo ganun. Nasa ito.
Please don't talk.
An. James. Ano ginagawa siya? Ah! Ba't kailangan mo manipa? Ay!
And the stair is two glasses. So What's... Ah, creeper! Beach!
Look!
Your beach, creeper!
Look!
Your hell beach.
Oh, ganda nung kabol. Kaya ako siya mahulog natin. Ang ganda ko na gamatin
No.
yan.
No, no, no. So, let's turn this to that.
Wait, wait, wait.
Ew.
Ala, sa akin to. Ayan.
Don't wanna use this. Yes. Gonna.
Sinabi mo gamitan. Kailangan, hindi ko naman.
Please don't talk.
Hindi! Ito
Hindi
yun.
sa harapan ko.
Oo.
Oh, wait lang.
Please don't talk.
Kuha sa bedroom sa ako. Short kaya. Ayun.
Look.
Dada, babe, may bibili na ako sa'yo.
Ako din. May bibiliin.
Ala! Sige, yan lang.
What the axe? Shovel. Ano? Not axe.
What the fucking happened? Ala!
Please don't talk.
Kasi...
It's speaking me out. Just vaccine. So I'm gonna. So guys, bye bye. This is my first video, and tomorrow we're gonna
Isa pa!
get second floor. You know that, yeah. We're gonna build some second floor. So bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.